Hi Heather.
Hello.
How are you today?
I'm doing good. And yourself?
I'm doing good, thank
Good.
you. I do want to tell you thank you for your time to doing this short little interview with me.
Of course.
I'm just going to ask you a couple of questions and then just answer the questions to the best of your acknowledgement. So my first one is going to be, how long have you been coming to Beano's for?
I've only been coming for, this is my third time to come. It's super simple. It's convenient to schedule online. You don't have to call anybody. You don't have to wait for anybody you don't have to wait in line. You just come into your appointment and then you just show up and go. It's super convenient.
Awesome. Yeah, it is convenient. I am, personally, I am one of those that likes to schedule appointments, keep everything organized according to my agenda. So I see what you mean by that.
Yes.
Okay, so how was your pedicure today? How did you like Mary today?
It was great. She's super nice. I ask her to do something and she does it. It's really nice.
Awesome, that's really good to hear. Okay, tell me a little bit more about your experience here at our nail salon.
Like I said, everything is super convenient to schedule yourself online. You can easily just walk in and you wash your hands, go straight to picking a color, and then you sit down, you get everything that you want done, and then you're done.
Awesome.
Yeah.
It makes life so much easier,
It
huh?
does, yes. Especially whenever you're very busy.
Yeah. Okay, if you were to tell somebody about Beano's, what would you let them know about our salon?
It's super clean. Everyone's always cleaning everything. Like I said, you wash your hands when you first come in. They will wear masks if you want. You don't have to. They're just so clean. That's my favorite part about it.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, why would you choose Beano's over any other nail salons here in town?
Probably, like I said, the cleanliness. I see that everything is always freshly packaged, and they have a little area where they clean their stuff that you can see it. If you have any questions, you can ask, and that's probably my favorite part. It's just so easy, and I love coming here.
That's good. Okay, well, Miss Heather, I do want to thank you for your time that you gave me today, and I do want to thank you for your feedback, and I enjoyed doing this little interview with you.
Yes, thank you so much for having me.
Okay.